Hi, welcome to this new video about ISDS connectors in Integray. We have multiple ISDS connectors, and today we are going to discuss the ISDS incoming reader, outgoing reader, and mark as read connector. ISDS connectors work with C-Post message box, which is available for every legal entity in the Czech Republic. They are used for official communication between legal entities and the state. In the Czech language, it's called datová schránka. Each connector needs a username and password to access the C-Post message box account. The ISDS incoming reader will read every incoming message from the selected date range. The outgoing reader will do the same thing, but with the sent messages. The mark as read connector updates the status of a message to read by using the message ID provided in the input. Let's see how it works. First, we need some input data, which we've simulated using a simple JSON structure. In the next step, we'll use the ISDS incoming reader. This connector requires a username and password for the ISDS account. Additionally, it needs a date range to specify which messages to read and the recipient ID to filter messages from specific senders. Following that, the outgoing reader connector also requires a username and password and the recipient ID along with a date range to read outgoing messages from the account. Finally, the mark as read connector will set the message status to read. It doesn't require configuration. This connector only needs an input schema with 3 attributes: username, password, and the ID of the messages for which we want to change the status to read. Now, we can start the task. Upon successful task completion, open the history and click on Data Snapshot. Here, we can see all incoming messages to our account from the selected date range, meaning messages sent by other users to us. In the outgoing reader step, we can see all sent messages from the selected date range. The last connector will set the status to read for all messages we selected using the ID in the input data. The output from this connectors provides data that can be easily customized across all connectors, offering great flexibility and many options for modification. This allows it to meet any specific requirements. And that's all from this connectors. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on social media so you don't miss out on any useful insights.